Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler seems to have a personal vendetta against the crypto industry. Most blockchain enthusiasts consider CEC Chair Gary Gensler a villainous enforcer of securities laws. However, it's also possible that bringing greater clarity to crypto asset regulation will benefit long-term digital currency adoption. Is Gary truly on a mission to suffocate Ethereum, or is he laying the foundation for cryptocurrency and blockchain-based financial services to go mainstream? Gary Gensler is the acting chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission under Joe Biden's government. He's most well known in the cryptocurrency world for leading the CEC's lawsuit against Ripple, cracking down the crypto exchange staking services and trying to label everything as a security. All in the noble name of consumer protection, of course. Ages ago, in 1979, Gensler began his tenure at Goldman Sachs, one of the world's most reputable investment banking firms. By the tender age of 30, Gensler was one of the youngest bankers to have ever made partner at Goldman Sachs. He went on to become the co-head of finance at the firm. After 18 years of service at Goldman Sachs, President Bill Clinton nominated Gensler as Assistant Secretary of the U.S. Treasury. He was promptly confirmed for the role by the U.S. Senate and began his career in government and public service. After 2 years, Gensler shifted departments and served as Undersecretary for Domestic Finance. During the Obama administration, Gensler was sworn in as chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. He continued to earn the respect and admiration of his peers, who consider him one of the great reformers following the global financial crisis. In the wake of Trump's Republican administration, Gensler was nominated for his current role of CEC chair by President Joe Biden. Since stepping into this role as chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Gensler has launched a full-fledged war on cryptocurrency regulation. Most notably, he leads the CEC's lawsuit against Ripple, which has dragged on for years and may shape the future of crypto regulation in the U.S. He's also issued millions worth of fines to crypto exchanges like Kraken over this taken offering. This understandably sent waves of fear, uncertainty, and doubt throughout the crypto industry. Now, according to Gary Gensler, every cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin is a security. Using the Howey test as a measuring stick, Gensler claims every crypto token has a team of entrepreneurs behind it running a business, with investors expecting to profit from the efforts of others. Arguably, this also extends to NFTs, though it's still a gray area. NFTs can easily be considered simple collectibles as opposed to investment vehicles. It's important to remember that even though Gary Gensler's position as CEC chair significantly influences how crypto is regulated in the US, Gensler himself is not the voice of the law. He doesn't write the laws on crypto regulation, he doesn't even govern how they are applied. In the United States, these crucial decisions are ultimately handled by the courts and federal judges. Now, it cannot be overlooked that Gensler and Sam Bankman-Fried worked together closely while Sam was still crypto's golden child. It's speculated that SBF was discussing with Gensler to build a regulatory moat around FTX to monopolize crypto trading in the US. Conspiracy theories linking Sam Bankman-Fried's political donations to public servants are commonplace, yet nothing has been confirmed. Many crypto investors are also quick to point out that Gensler is more interested in hunting down Ripple executives like Brad Garlinghouse than bringing alleged criminals like FBF to justice. But on the flip side, despite his reputation and perception within the wider crypto industry, Gary Gensler has had a prestigious and successful career in finance and government. He may be on the mission to bring tougher regulations to cryptocurrency, however, if you live outside the United States, you shouldn't experience any first-hand implications from this behavior. And that's all I have to tell you this time. I'll see you in the next video.